what type of environment is required here? Maybe it is software environment, maybe it is a hardware environment or not. Yes, so that environment may be either software environment or hardware environment. So which environment we are utilized here? Any environment we can utilize it here, guys, in order to run that particular application. So which environment we are utilized here in order to run that particular application? Come on, guys, come on, be careful. So in which environment we are utilized in order to run that particular application? That environment technically called as platform. So what is the technical word here? So technically this environment, what exactly we call it as, guys? So that environment we technically called as platform. Yes, so this is nothing but a platform, guys. What is platform means? So the environment, whether if it is a software environment or hardware environment, in which programs run or not, guys. Yes, so in which programs run. Application is nothing but a collection of programs or not, guys. Yes, a collection of programs only. Collection of programs means that program has to run, right? So without running this program background, this application open in your machine? No, right? That application has to work. That application has to run. Means what is application? Collection of programs. That programs has to run in the background or not? Yes, so that application has to run. Where it is run? So one particular platform. So what type of environment we are utilizing here? Whether if it is a software environment, whether if it is a hardware environment, which environment we are utilizing in order to run that particular software? That environment is technically called as platform base. So that's why. So within the computer, platform is required or not required? In order to execute all these applications, platform is required or not required, guys? Without this platform, so are you able to execute your application in your machine? Come on here. Are you able to execute your application in your machine or not? No, right? So we cannot run this particular application without this platform or not. So that means in your computer, platform is required in order to run that particular programs. So which environment we are utilized here? Which platform we are utilized here in order to run those programs? That environment may be software or hardware. That environment is technically called as platform or not, guys? Yes, platform. So what is our computer platform? So that means all these applications are opened and working fine in your computer means, so computer platform is available or not, guys? Yes, that platform is available in your computer, right? So what is computer platform? What is a computer platform, guys?
OS, sir.
Yes, so definitely. So what exactly it is? A operating system. Operating system is the main role and means of platform in order to run all these applications are always. Operating system is the platform, computer platform in order to execute all these applications. Now come on, yeah. So whenever we are brought one particular computer, whether if it is a laptop, whether if it is a computer, whether if it is a mobile, whether if it is a tab, anything, if you take anything, without the operating system, electronic devices are available. No, right? So within these electronic devices, operating system should be there or not? Yes, that's why whenever you want to brought one particular laptop, so if you gone to your showrooms, guys, definitely they will ask which operating system you require or not required. Yes, which operating system laptop you want? You want to this operating system or that operating system? They will ask some operating systems or not, guys. Now come on, yeah. Operating system is also an application or not? Come on, yeah. Operating system is also an application. What type of application it is? It is system related application. That's why it is a system software or not, guys. Yes, a system software. So what is the responsibility of this operating system? So operating system is also one programmer or not? It is also one program. It is application means it is the programmer or not? Yes, it is also one program. So application means a collection of programs. Collection of programs is nothing but a software. So what type of software it is? It is a translator or not base. So operating system is the in the starting classes we discussed, right? So person to person, person to computer, computer to person, how this communication happen? Language is required. What type of language we have to learn? As like from that onwards I started these classes or not? So this I am responsible to communicate with this computer in order to fulfill my requirement digitally means definitely nowadays every world within this world these many peoples are available now daily they are communicating with these electronic devices in order to fulfill the requirement or not. What is my requirement here? Suppose just sitting at home I want to know all the what are the things that happen in this world. So nowadays, so no one go to that particular places and knowing all these information, right? So digitally we have a different multiple apps are available. Using those apps, so immediately, so all the information spread throughout the world or not? Throughout the world, immediately that the information spread means. So how it is possible, guys? Because of these channels or not? Yes, not only for that one. Suppose for your enjoyment. Yes, so you are already in the struggle. Yes, you want to just for fun means. Yes, definitely Instagram is a one application or not. If you want to share some information to the our particular customer, yes, your friends, your colleagues. So WhatsApp is a one application. Yes, like there are multiple applications that we are using means for daily purpose and in order to fulfill the requirement or not. Yes. So in order to fulfill the requirement without going to anywhere, so even though more money is happen here, come on guys, we are even though we are customers spend a lot of money, but the required time within the short time, my requirement is filled or not. Nowadays everyone doing that one only, right? Yes, so that means application they daily we are communicating with these electronic devices, these applications we are utilizing in order to fulfill your requirement. So that application we are using means so definitely we have to communicate with these electronic devices means as a outside people we know English language, computer can know only binary language. We are not able to understand computer language, computer not able to understand our language. Then how we are communicating with these electronic devices? So, and also we are not able to learn this binary language. We can't understand. That's why this operating one mediator is required or not required, guys? Mediator is required. What is this translator responsibility? What is this mediator responsibility? It will convert one language to another language. So first it will understand the first language and it will convert it into according to another language. Another language gives some response means again it will convert it into our language. Because of this reason only, yes, so this mediator only we can happily communicate with each other or not. Yes, in the same way, so computer can't understand paint language. We are not able to understand paint language. But in the paint, everything it is in the English format. We are able to see means how it is possible. If computer display in the zeros and ones format means are able to understand, are able to just within this paint application, everything is displayed in the zeros and ones, guys. Are able to understand, right? Yes, so that means operating system is available in my machine. Operating system is a one program. It is a one software. That's what is that software means. It is a translator program. Translator program means it is translate one language to another language. Computer understand, machine understandable language too. Yes, so we already discussed about programming languages, right? Machine language, assembly language. So high level language or not? Yes, so this machine language are able to understand? No, we can't understand this machine language because machine only can able to understand. That's why operating system is the mediator in order to translate a computer language to our understandable language to computer language. That's why whenever we are brought in any particular devices, operating system must be available or not? Yes, operating system must be available. It is also one translator application. It is also one programmer means. So definitely someone has to develop this operating system, right? So that means only one type of operating system only available, or different types of operating systems available, sir? Yes, there is no doubt. Different types of operating systems are available, guys. What are those different types of operating systems that are available means? Yes, so Windows operating system, Mac OS operating system. So as like there are different types of operating systems are available. Yes. So that means what are the different types of operating systems here? So maybe this operating system. So Windows. Yes. So maybe this operating system, Mac OS, as like there are multiple operating systems or not? Yes. Yes. There are multiple operating systems. Yes. So whether if it is a Windows, whether if it is a Mac OS, so whether if it is a Linux, so whatever it is, they as like there are multiple types of operating systems are available or not, guys? Yes, so multiple types of operating systems are available. Now, whenever we are utilizing different types of operating system, what is this operating system responsibility? If I'm using Windows operating system, what is my mission code? What is my binary language? So that mission code able to understandable by the only Windows or Mac OS, guys. Any operating system can able to understand any window, any mission language. Come on, anyone can able to understand? No, right? If I'm using Windows operating system means, so Windows operating system can able to understand only Windows mission code or not, guys? Yes, it
Yes,
can
sir.
able to understand only Windows mission code only, guys. If so, I am providing Mac OS code. That Mac OS code I am trying to utilize in the Windows operating system means my Windows operating system can able to understand Mac OS code. No, it is not able to understand. So that means every operating system has its own mission code or not, guys? Yes, it has its own mission code. If I'm using Windows means Windows only can able to understand Windows mission code only. If I'm using Mac OS, so Mac OS mission code only can able to understand this Mac OS operating system. Got my point or not, guys? Yes, Mac OS can able to understand only Mac OS mission code only, guys. So Mac OS cannot understand this Linux mission code. So it is not able to understand or not. Yes, no doubt it is not at all possible. So that means every software, every operating system, it has its own language or not, guys. Yes, so Linux can able to understand only Linux mission code only. So Linux cannot understand Mac OS code. Mac OS cannot understand this Windows code. Windows cannot understand this. So different every software has their own type of code. So that type of language only they can able to understand. So other operating system cannot understand another type of operating system codes or not, guys. Yes, so because of this reason only, so every operate different types of operating systems are available. So what is it? This operating system is nothing but a so computer platform or not? Yes, using this platform only we can able to run this particular application.